Hi students, how are you? Are you okay? I hope so. I'm sorry because my camera have a problem. You can't see me. Let's start. We start the lessons. In the last lesson we studied about the quadrilateral, and today we study about the transformation. We have three types of transformation, student. You can say transformation, it means or movement. But we doesn't change its size or shape. If we have, for example, this figure, we have triangle, we have translation, in a straight line, it's called translation. Just slide a figure in a straight line, it's called translation. After that we have a flipping a figure over a line, it's called the reflection. This is a reflection, the same shape is reflect over a line, is called a reflection or a reflect, you can say. And turning a figure around the point, just one point, this point for example, or one vertex, is called a rotation. This figure, the same shape, have the same shape and size, and just rotate around one vertex or one point. After that we identify the transformation by using points in the order pair. Okay, graph a triangle with vertices 6 and 2, 9 and 2, 9 and 7. After that I give you the order pair. Now we have 6 and 2, we make y-axis and x-axis. On the y-axis and x-axis identify the points. We have 6 and 2. In x-axis we have 6, this point is 6. In y-axis we have 2, so this point is 6 and 2. After that in y-axis we have 9, and in x-axis we have 9. In y-axis we have 2, this point is 9 and 2. After that we have 9 and 7. In x-axis we have 9, in y-axis we have 7. So after that you can make a triangle. If you have a figure, you can identify new order. I give you the new order pair and you identify the name or the type of the transformation. In new order pair we have 4 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 7. 4 and 2, in x-axis we have 4, in y-axis we have 2. This point is 4 and 2. And after that in new order pair we have 1 and 2. In x-axis we have 1, in y-axis we have 2. So this point is also make a line, a straight line, sorry. After that we have 1 and 7. In x-axis we have 1, in y-axis we have 7. In y-axis we have 7. So this point is 1 and 7. After we looked, we have a triangle also, but reflect. Why? Because if we make the straight line, a line around the straight line, we have a reflection. Reflect, student. We have a reflection because we have, if you look at this triangle, the same this and just reflect. Another rotate. We have an original by this shape, student. I give you new order pair also. We have an original triangle. This original triangle, I say identify the new order pair, 6 and 2, 6 and 5, 1 and 5. 6 and 2, which point? This is in x-axis we have 6, in y-axis we have 2. 6 and 5, 6 in x-axis we have 6, in y-axis we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 6 and 5. After that we have 1 and 5. 1 in x-axis and 5 in y-axis, we have this point. If we look, we have the same triangle, the same size and shape, but what is type of transformation? This is rotation. If you looked, rotate or turning a figure around one point or one vertex. Another type we have if we have another we have original triangle, and we have a new order pair, 6 and 1, 6 and 6, 3 and 1. If you looked, 6 in x-axis, in y we have 1. This point is 6 and 1. In another we have 6 and 6. In x-axis we have 6. In y-axis we have 6. If you looked, 3 and 1, we have 3 in x-axis and y in y-axis. So this is, if you looked, is a transformation. This transformation is translation, students. Just translate. Now we solve the practices. Student, please open page 199 in your book. Look, if you look, we have graph a triangle with vertices 2 and 2, 2 and 4, and 6 and 2. Then transform the triangle to the new given vertices and write the translation, reflection, rotation to describe the move. If we have move to reflection, rotation, or translation. Look, we have 2 and 2 in original. The first time we need to make the original figure. We have 2 and 2. Which point is 2 and 2? In x-axis we have 2. This is 2. In y-axis we have 2. So we have 2 and 2 in x and y. So this point is 2 and 2. After that we have 2 and 4. In x-axis we have 2. In y-axis we have 4. So this point is 2 and 4. After that we have 6 and 2. In x-axis we have 6. This point is 6. In y-axis we have 2. This point is 6 and 2. And now we have new order pair. New order pair is 4 and 1, 4 and 3, and 8 and 1. Look, we have the original triangle figure. After that we have new order pair 4 and 1. Student, which point is 4 and 1? In x-axis we have 4, in y-axis we have 1. This point is 4 and 1. 4 and 3. In x-axis we have 4, in y-axis we have 3. This point is 4 and 3. After that we have 8 and 1. Which point is 8 and 1? In x-axis we have 8, in y-axis we have 1. So there we have 8 and 1. I don't write it there, but we have 8 and 1, the same point. So if we look this transformation, which type? Rotation? No. Reflection? No. But if you look, this translation just moved a figure by the same shape, have the same shape and have the same size. Just translate. In practice 2 we have 6 and 6, 8 and 6, and 6 and 2. Look, we have the same. We have original triangle. Blue triangle is, or blue figure is the original. Which point is 6 and 6? In x-axis we have 6. This point in x-axis, and in y-axis we have 6. So this point is 6 and 6. After that we have 8 and 1. 6. Look, 8 and 6. Which point is 8 and 6? In x-axis we have 8. In y-axis we have 6. So this point is 8 and 6. And we have 6 and 2. Look, we have 6 in x-axis and 2 in y-axis. This point is 6 and 2. Look, this type of transformation, which one is rotation? Just rotate a figure around one point or the vertices. After that we have the vertex around. Rotate the figure around just one vertex. Practice 3 say we have new order pair also, 6 and 2, 10 and 2, and 10 and 4. We have the original triangle also, and new order pair. We need to identify the type of transformation. We have 6 and 2. Which point 6? This is 6 and 2. This in y-axis we have 2. This point is 6 and 2. After that we have 10 and 2. In x-axis we have 10, and in y-axis we have 2. This point is 10 and 2. After that we have 10 and 4. In x-axis we have 10, in y-axis we have 4. So we have another triangle, have the same shape and size. And this type of triangle transformation, which one is reflection? Just reflect the figure around one line or a straight line, students. So this one is reflection. I hope you can understand what I say, and I hope to see you again, students. That's enough for this lesson, and that's finished. Goodbye, students. See you in the next. Goodbye.